welcome. We are your dedicated partner for all your business buying and selling needs. Whether you are navigating the dynamic landscape of retail, the bulk opportunities of wholesale, the intricate processes of manufacturing, or the logistical complexities of distribution, VSK Business Consultant is here to guide you. We understand that buying or selling a business is a significant decision, and we are committed to providing expert advice and comprehensive support throughout the entire process. For retail businesses, we assist in identifying prime locations, assessing market trends, and ensuring a smooth transition. In the wholesale sector, we leverage our extensive network to connect buyers and sellers, maximizing profitability and efficiency. For manufacturing businesses, we offer in-depth analysis of production capabilities, asset valuation, and strategic planning. And in the distribution arena, we streamline logistics and supply chain considerations to facilitate seamless transactions. At VSK Business Consultant, we prioritize transparency, integrity, and client satisfaction. Our tailored approach ensures that each client receives personalized attention and customized solutions to meet their unique requirements. We are dedicated to helping you achieve your business goals, whether you are looking to expand your portfolio, divest assets, or embark on a new entrepreneurial venture. Beyond the core services of buying and selling businesses, VSK Business Consultant also offers advisory services to help businesses optimize their operations and achieve sustainable growth. We understand that each business has unique challenges and opportunities, and we work closely with our clients to develop tailored strategies that align with their specific goals. Our advisory services include strategic planning, assisting businesses in developing long-term plans for growth and success. Financial analysis, providing in-depth analysis of financial performance and identifying areas for improvement. Operational efficiency, helping businesses streamline their processes and reduce costs. Market entry strategies, guiding businesses in expanding into new markets. Business restructuring, helping to reorganize a business for increased efficiency. Succession planning, developing strategies for the smooth transition of business ownership. Risk management, identifying and mitigating potential risks to the business. Technology integration, advising on the adoption of new technologies to improve business operations. Human resources consulting, providing guidance on employee relations, training, and development. Legal and compliance, ensuring businesses adhere to all relevant laws and regulations. We are committed to building long-term relationships with our clients and providing ongoing support throughout their business journey. Our team of experienced professionals has a deep understanding of the Chennai business landscape and is dedicated to helping our clients achieve their full potential. We understand that confidentiality is paramount in business transactions, and we adhere to the highest ethical standards. You can trust VSK Business Consultant to handle your business dealings with discretion and professionalism. Whether you are a seasoned entrepreneur or a first-time business owner, VSK Business Consultant is here to provide the guidance and support you need to succeed. We are passionate about helping businesses thrive and contribute to the economic growth of Chennai. We believe in fostering a collaborative environment where ideas are exchanged freely, and innovative solutions are developed. Our goal is to empower businesses with the knowledge and resources they need to navigate the complexities of the modern business world. We also offer specialized services for startups, including assistance with business plan development, fundraising, and market validation. We are committed to supporting the next generation of entrepreneurs and helping them build successful and sustainable businesses. Our network of investors and mentors provides valuable connections and guidance for startups seeking to grow and scale their operations. For established businesses looking to expand, we offer expertise in mergers and acquisitions, joint ventures, and strategic alliances. We help our clients identify potential partners, negotiate favorable terms, and ensure a smooth integration process. Our goal is to help businesses grow and diversify their operations, both domestically and internationally. At VSK Business Consultant, we are more than just consultants, we are partners in your success. We are dedicated to providing exceptional service and delivering tangible results. Contact us today to learn more about how we can help your business thrive. Contact us. Phone 9840-336-999. Website www.vsbusinessconsultant.in. Stay connected. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for valuable insights. Follow our WhatsApp channel for real-time updates. Like us on Facebook. Follow us on Instagram. Contact VSK Business Consultant today to explore your options and take the next step in your business journey. We look forward to hearing from you and helping you achieve your business goals. Remember, at VSK Business Consultant, your success is our priority.